The next big common flaw is the correlation-causation flaw. This argument flaw assumes that just because two things are correlated, one of them must be causing the other. Here's an example. Air conditioning usage and ice cream sales are strongly correlated. Therefore, sitting in an air-conditioned room must cause ice cream cravings. Clearly what we're seeing here is not that AC usage causes ice cream sales or vice versa, but rather there's something else that's causing both. The incidence of warm weather, for example. This is usually what's going on in cases of mistaken causation. There's some other third thing that's causing the two correlated phenomena. This framework is really going to help you with question types other than flaws as well. For example, if you see an argument that's assuming causation where there might be correlation, you can propose a C variable that will then weaken the argument. Or you can knock out a C variable to strengthen the argument. A slightly less common variation of this flaw is the reverse causation flaw, which is where a similar argument ignores the obvious alternative that B could actually be causing A. The causation here is mistakenly going the wrong way. Here's an example. NBA players tend to be very tall. Therefore, being good at basketball makes you taller. This is a classic case of reverse causation. This argument is ignoring the much more likely explanation for this correlation, which is that being taller is actually an advantage in basketball. In other words, being tall helps with being good at basketball, not the other way around. I've seen 5 or more questions on a single section make assumptions based on this flaw, so this diagram is an extremely useful tool to have in your toolbox for all kinds of question types. It's one of the only things on this test that will actively encourage you to memorize because it really is that essential.